Welcome back to my channel. Now it's time to put this beautiful kit together and make some page kits. This is the Griffin February mystery box. I just reviewed it and now it's time to put together page kits. I'm going to separate all of the stickers that we got in the ephemera and the sentiments. I will speed that up, so I'll be right back. Now all of the stickers and sentiments have been separated. We can move on building page kits. I'll put this here so you can see this part. So let's get started. Okay, we have this beautiful paper. It's so pretty. And I really am excited to get started on making pages with this kit. We have so many kits that we've put the page kits together for. We're going to have a lot to do together. But let's separate the paper. Here we go. We have all of the papers separated out so that we can see everything. These are one-sided, so we don't have to be concerned about a print on the back. Let's just see how many page kits we can put together with this collection. Then we'll jump in and get started on doing the actual pages. So to start with, I love these butterflies. The butterflies and this paisley print, these are my favorite prints in this kit. In fact, I would like to make a double page of these two. I'm going to pull out both of them. So we'll do a double page spread out of the butterflies and the pink paisley. We have this beautiful, what I've said reminded me of a watercolor and pen and ink, and I think it's very pretty. My issue with this paper is the fact that I don't think it goes with any of this right here. So I will pull black cardstock from my stash. Here is the black cardstock that I want to use with this paper. I think that's the best that we'll do for a design. Then we have this really pretty black and ivory. Let's put it with this paper. That looks pretty. And that leaves us with one of these, one of those, and one of these. So we will pair these up this way. Okay. So here we go. We'll start here. do have just a few embellishments left, and we'll use those whenever we create cards, because we will make cards out of this kit. And we still have all of the sentiments left. So we have plenty of embellishments and sentiments, and we have bows that we can make some beautiful cards. We also have this die that will be beautiful on the cards. With this die, I will be cutting it out to use on all of the cards, but I'm only going to probably make 6 cards. I like to make cards in gift sets, and I find that 6 is a good number. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at this. Oh, I'm so excited. This will be a lot of fun, and I really am looking forward to doing this kit. This is one that was on my shelf that, with all the moving that I was doing and setting up for YouTube, they just got lost. And when I found the kit, I was so excited because I love the patterns, I love the colors. Thank you very much for stopping by today and spending time with me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless you.